Have you ever solved a problem in a new and interesting way? That's creative thinking. It's the ability to transcend traditional ideas, rules, patterns, relationships, or the like, and to create meaningful new ideas, forms, methods, and interpretations. Creative thinking is not just about artistic endeavors. It's a skill that can be applied in every aspect of life. It's about looking at things from different angles and coming up with fresh ideas. Imagine seeing the world through a kaleidoscope, where every turn gives you a new perspective. This is the essence of creative thinking, constantly shifting your viewpoint to discover new possibilities and solutions. Creative thinking helps us solve problems, make decisions, and come up with new inventions. Whether you're an engineer designing a new product, a teacher developing a new curriculum, or a chef creating a new recipe, creative thinking is at the heart of innovation and progress. It's a valuable skill for everyone, no matter what they do. From scientists to artists, from business leaders to students, everyone can benefit from thinking creatively. It allows us to approach our work and our lives with a sense of curiosity and wonder, always looking for new ways to improve and innovate. Creative thinking is like using your imagination to find solutions. It's about tapping into that part of your brain that dreams and imagines, and using it to solve real-world problems. It's about seeing beyond the obvious and exploring the unknown. It's about breaking free from old patterns and thinking outside the box. When we challenge the status quo and question the way things have always been done, we open the door to new and innovative ideas. This kind of thinking can lead to breakthroughs in any field. When we think creatively, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. We become more adaptable and resilient, able to navigate the complexities of life with ease. Creative thinking encourages us to be open-minded and flexible, always ready to explore new ideas and approaches. We can find new ways to approach challenges and come up with innovative solutions. By fostering a creative mindset, we can transform obstacles into opportunities and turn our ideas into reality. Creative thinking is not just a skill, but a way of life that can enrich our personal and professional experiences. Brainstorming is a fun and engaging way to generate a plethora of ideas. It's a process that encourages creativity and collaboration among team members. It's an easy way to get everyone's creative juices flowing and to come up with innovative solutions to problems or new concepts for projects. Grab a group of friends or colleagues, gather around a table or a whiteboard, and get ready to think outside the box. The more diverse the group, the better, as different perspectives can lead to more unique ideas. The goal is to come up with as many ideas as possible, no matter how silly or outlandish they may seem at first. Quantity over quality is the key during the initial phase of brainstorming. Write down every single idea, even if it sounds crazy at first. Sometimes the most unconventional ideas can spark the most innovative solutions. It's important to create an environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts. Don't judge or criticize any ideas during the brainstorming session. This helps to foster a safe space for creativity. Just let the ideas flow freely. Encourage everyone to speak up and contribute, no matter how wild their ideas might be. Once you have a long list of ideas, you can start to narrow them down and choose the best ones. This is where you can start to evaluate the feasibility and potential impact of each idea. One effective method is to have team members vote on their favorite ideas using stickers or markers. This helps to quickly identify the most popular and promising ideas. After voting, take some time to discuss the top ideas in more detail. Consider the pros and cons of each idea and how they might be implemented. Finally, create an action plan based on the selected ideas. Assign tasks and set deadlines to ensure that the best ideas are brought to life. Remember, the key to a successful brainstorming session is to have fun and keep an open mind. Celebrate your creativity and the collaborative effort of the team. Mind mapping is a visual way to organize your thoughts and ideas. Start by writing your main topic in the center of a piece of paper. Then, draw branches out from the center, each representing a different subtopic or idea. Use colors, pictures, and keywords to make your mind map visually appealing and easy to understand. Mind mapping helps you see the connections between different ideas and can spark new insights and solutions. Lateral thinking is about approaching problems from unexpected angles. It's about challenging assumptions and looking for creative solutions that others might miss. One example of lateral thinking is the classic 9-dot puzzle. Instead of trying to connect the dots within an imaginary square, Lateral thinking encourages you to think beyond those boundaries. This type of thinking can help you overcome obstacles and find innovative solutions to everyday problems. Section 5. The power of what if. Asking what if questions is a powerful way to stimulate creative thinking. For example, what if cars could fly? What if we could breathe underwater? These questions may seem silly, but they can lead to amazing breakthroughs. What if questions help us to challenge assumptions, explore possibilities, and imagine new realities. By asking what if we open our minds to new possibilities and push the boundaries of what we think is possible. Section 6. Environment matters. Setting the stage for creativity. Did you know that your environment can affect your creativity? Create a space that inspires you. Surround yourself with things you love, like plants, artwork, or music. A well-lit and organized space can do wonders for your creative flow. Natural light, in particular, has been shown to boost creativity and productivity. So open those curtains and let the sun shine in. Section 7. Practice makes perfect. Flexing your creative muscles. Just like any skill, creative thinking improves with practice. Try incorporating creative activities into your daily routine, like drawing, writing, or playing a musical instrument. Engage in activities that you enjoy and that challenge you to think differently. The more you use your creative muscles, the stronger they will become. Remember, creativity is a journey, not a destination. Section 8. Creative thinking in everyday life. You don't have to be an artist or inventor to use creative thinking. It's helpful in everyday situations too. Imagine you need to cook dinner, but you're missing an ingredient. Can you substitute it with something else? Get creative in the kitchen and you might just invent a new family favorite. Creative thinking can help you solve problems big and small, from finding lost keys to resolving conflicts with friends. Section 9. The benefits of creative problem solving. Creative thinking helps us find the best solutions to problems. It encourages us to look beyond the obvious and explore new possibilities. By engaging in creative problem solving, we can break free from traditional methods and discover innovative approaches that might not have been considered otherwise. It allows us to consider different perspectives and come up with ideas that are outside the box. This diversity of thought can be incredibly valuable, as it brings together a range of experiences and viewpoints. When team members feel empowered to share their unique insights, the collective intelligence of the group is enhanced. This can lead to more innovative and effective solutions. By fostering an environment where creativity is encouraged, teams can develop solutions that are not only practical, but also groundbreaking. These innovative solutions can give organizations a competitive edge and drive progress in ways that conventional thinking cannot. When we approach problems with a creative mindset, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. This mindset encourages experimentation and the willingness to take risks. It's about being open to failure and learning from it, rather than being deterred by it. We are more likely to find solutions that are not only effective, but also original and engaging. These solutions can capture the imagination and inspire others. They can transform challenges into opportunities and turn obstacles into stepping stones for success. Creative problem solving can lead to greater satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment. When individuals and teams see the tangible results of their creative efforts, it boosts morale and fosters a sense of pride. This sense of achievement can be incredibly motivating and can drive further innovation and creativity in future projects. In conclusion, the benefits of creative problem solving are manifold. It not only helps in finding effective solutions, but also promotes a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. By embracing creativity, we can unlock new potentials and achieve remarkable outcomes. Section 10. Creative thinking at work. Creative thinking is a valuable skill in any workplace. It helps teams come up with new ideas, improve products, and solve complex problems. Companies are always looking for people who can think outside the box. If you can bring creative solutions to the table, you'll be a valuable asset to any team. Whether you're in marketing, sales, or customer service, creative thinking can help you excel in your career. Section 11. Unleashing your inner creative genius. Everyone has the potential for creative genius. Sometimes we just need to unlock it. Don't be afraid to try new things and make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. Embrace your curiosity, ask questions, and never stop exploring the world around you. So go ahead, unleash your inner creative genius, and see what amazing things you can achieve.